Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about composition. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we have the formula in here. The composition f of g that is like this. Now, if we do first derivative of this one, we have like this. This is about the chain rule of derivative. Now we put number 2 cone here. So the first thing we need to know that we need to do first derivative f of s for this one in here. And that's about 4x to the power of 3. This one that is about the power rule of derivative. And now we know that g of number 2 that is about number 1. And now we put number 1 cone here. And this one that is about number 2. So we calculate this one and we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.